Imagine dusting off centuries-old texts only to find theories that sound strikingly like today's cutting-edge science. Long before modern labs and satellites, certain minds boldly proposed ideas that seem astonishingly on par with what we accept as fact now. Today, let's explore the top 10 old scientists whose theories rival modern science. 1. Alhazen, 965 to 1040 CE, Basra. A pioneering mathematician and physicist, Alhazen ibn al-Haytham delved into optics with uncanny precision. He wrote that light enters the eye, shattering the ancient belief that vision involves rays emanating from the eye. Alhazen also grasped the fundamentals of experimental science centuries before the scientific method formally took shape. 2. Shen Kuo, 1031 to 1095 CE, China. This polymath studied astronomy, meteorology, and geology. Shen Kuo noted how fossils implied shifting climates and landmasses, a concept we now recognize as part of Earth's dynamic geology. His observation that the Earth must have changed over time resonates with modern notions of tectonic shifts and climate variation. 3. Bhāskara II, 1114 to 1185 CE, India. A brilliant mathematician, Bhāskara II, tackled calculus-like ideas long before Newton or Leibniz. His treatise, Siddhanta Shiromani, offered advanced solutions in algebra and trigonometry. The concept of infinitesimals and summation in his works hints at an early grasp of calculus fundamentals. 4th Avicenna, 980 to 1037 CE, Persia. Known for the canon of medicine, Avicenna hypothesized that illness can spread through tiny particles, anticipating modern germ theory. He also posited psychological factors in healing, suggesting mind-body connections recognized by today's holistic medicine. Avicenna's massive encyclopedia shaped both Eastern and Western medical thought for centuries. 5th Hypatia, 355 to 415 CE, Alexandria. A famed philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician, Hypatia pushed geometric and astronomical studies forward in an era when women scholars were rare. She taught about planetary movements with accuracy that surprised many. Though few of her works survive, references hint she may have approximated elliptical orbits and improved astrolabe devices. 6. Al-Kindi, 801 to 873 CE, Iraq. Al-Kindi tackled cryptography, optics, and the nature of time. Known as the philosopher of the Arabs, he proposed that matter comprised tiny units, a rudimentary form of atomic theory. Al-Kindi also wrote about how scientific inquiry must rely on reasoned experimentation, predating the Enlightenment shift toward empiricism. 7th, Archimedes, 287 to 212 BCE, Syracuse. From buoyancy, Archimedes' principle, to advanced levers, Archimedes' engineering feats still dazzle modern scientists. He invented mechanical wonders like the claw of Archimedes to defend his city. His treatises on geometry introduce methods akin to integral calculus, revealing glimpses of far future math locked in ancient texts. 8. Omar Khayyam, 1048 to 1131 CE, Persia. Often celebrated for his poetry, Omar Khayyam was also a groundbreaking mathematician and astronomer. He proposed a calendar system even more accurate than the Julian calendar. The Jalali calendar he helped refine remains so precise that it surpasses many older Western systems, demonstrating near-modern level observational astronomy. 9. Mary the Jewess, 1st–3rd century CE. A figure shrouded in legend, Mary the Jewess is credited with founding practical alchemy in Hellenistic Egypt. While much of alchemy was mystical, Mary's approach to apparatus design like the double boiler, bain-marie, foreshadowed modern chemistry lab techniques. She might have toyed with concepts akin to fractional distillation centuries ahead of established chemistry. 10th, Nicole Oresme, 1320 to 1382, CE, France. A lesser-known medieval thinker, Oresme argued that Earth could rotate daily on its axis, a radical stance before Copernicus. He also dabbled in early economic theories, analyzing currency fluctuations and supply and demand patterns. His mathematical insights and forward-thinking cosmic views display a near-modern scientific mindset against a medieval backdrop. From the far corners of the ancient world to the libraries of medieval universities, these visionaries broke through the limits of their age. Their daring ideas echo modern science in surprising ways. Which of these old scientists shocks you the most? Tell us in the comments. If you love discovering hidden gems of history, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious.